Today we will see how to install Sublime text editor for PHP coding. Now let's start. How to install? Open your Chrome and search Sublime text editor. This is the official site of Sublime text editor. Download for Windows. It's taking little bit time, so I'm going to stop the video. So download is almost complete. Yes, click on this. And you see it's asking yes or no. Click on yes and select your location where you want to install. I want to install in C drive, program file, Sublime text editor is the folder, Atox program text. I'm going to uncheck install. So your Sublime text editor is installed. Now you can see your Sublime text editor is installed. Search Sublime text. Yes, this is so is installed and successfully run. So in next lecture we will see how to write a program of PHP and we will execute the program of PHP. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe.